UiPath Stock will be reporting earnings today, November 30th, after the market closes. And so that is in less than an hour from now. And as you can see here, UiPath stock made a new 52-week high today. Is trading near the resistance level here. So will the stock's path head down lower because of this, or is it going to continue to go up? Let us know in the comments below what you think the path of UiPath stock will be. Is it up or down? And so in this video, we will share with you what we think based on our analysis as usual and how we are trading UiPath stock for earnings. So let's get to the data analysis. 2 days ago on November 28, we detected these 3,000 unusual options at the 12.5 strike puts. Also at the 30 strike calls, 3,000. And also at the 37 strike calls. So what does this all mean? So this is what we've analyzed here. The profit loss diagram here shows that we believe that they had bought the 30 strike calls for this January 2025, sold the 37 strike call, and sold the 12.5 strike puts. And so you can see here the trade currently. Stock trades at 19.66. As it goes up, it becomes profitable. It's a positive. If it goes down, it is a loss. Right? So that is why the delta here, you can see, is a positive 27 here. Okay. Now keep in mind though, you can see that the break even here is all the way over here at $12, meaning at expiration, you see the blue line is above near zero here, because zero is the break, is the no loss. Anything above it is a gain, anything below is a loss. So if that blue line, since it's still near zero here, this is their break even here at $12, which means that this trade does carry quite a bit of risk, because if UiPath stock goes down to $12, you can see here, that is a negative 38% decrease on the stock. But this options trade would not be a loss. So that is the advantage of trading options, is that you can reduce your risk. Okay? But if you traded options, you would be down negative 38%. So this is a risk trade here. All right? And so this is why you want to be careful if you are going to trade this. We are trading this because we can manage our risk, and with our position sizing with this trade that we're using. You can see here, it's the December 1st, expires tomorrow. What we did was we bought the 21 strike calls for each of our trades. We buy one, and we sold the 22 strike calls, 2 of them, and then we bought the 22.5 strike calls. We got these for about $15 each, and so this was our trade, a broken butterfly trade here. And you can see that we're risking $15 per trade to gain a potential of $35 if it rallies. We could gain even more, about 80 here, but that's less probable since you would have to hit this peak bullseye here, $22. So to calculate our risk to reward here, we take the 35 divided by the 15, and you can see that we have a risk of reward ratio of 1 to 2.3, meaning we could potentially make 233% on this trade. And we can position size how much we want to risk based on how many contracts we want of this. You can see here we're risking 150 now. So we can decide how much we want to risk by position sizing here. And the reason why you want to do this is because it's quite likely that if path goes down, you would lose the entire 100% loss here. But that's okay with us because we have other trades that make more than 100%, and we also win more often than not. So if you've been following this channel, you know that most of our earnings trades are winners, and we also make more than 100%. So we then, at the end of the day, we're net profitable. Just like a recent earnings trade just yesterday, we were in Dollar Tree. You can see this was actually a $22 million trade that we had detected, and we let our members know. So this was a members only trade, and you can see that we predicted the stock would go up. It was going long, and we posted this before earnings on November 28th. And if you take a look at Dollar Tree now, you can see that it is much higher after earnings, right? In fact, about 6.5% up, right? So our options are a lot more profitable, and they will continue to be because we had a strategy that allows theta to gain. If you are interested in our option strategies and our stock picks to beat the market, like what we just did with Dollar Tree earnings, where it was a lot higher probability in winning for earnings, and make sure to go to our website to learn more on how you can join. And as usual, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon to be notified of unusual options activity. Take care and good luck.